Everybody keep coming to me and saying, how do you get so many clients? What are you doing? I want to get as many clients as you. Well, here is the secret, guys. It's really simple. And all you got to do is this. But before I get into that, for those of you who are just joining, I am Regina Perez Fitness. I've been in the fitness world for over 10 years. I love helping people reach their fitness goals. And I'm also a competition coach. So send me a message if you have any questions. But it's real simple to get more clients. When people meet me, I don't say, hey, I'm a personal trainer. I've been doing this. People see the way that I live. They see how I take care of my body. They see what I put in my body. They see and feel my energy when I walk into the room. And they're like, I want to be more like her. I want to do what she's doing. She's successful. She's happy. What do I got to do? And that is how I attract clients. I don't tell people I'm a personal trainer. They see me